Okay, so I just got this new IPL skincare device from a company called Groomee. I'm quite excited to give it a try because I have been using expensive laser, going in and getting laser for hair removal. So this is a device that is safe and you can use it right at home. So let's check this out. Oh man, this is really pretty. Look at the packaging. It's beautiful, right? Look at that. That looks really good. It's a nice box. Huh. So it says IPL technology, 5-stage strength, contact sensor, and a dual mode flash. Let's find out what that means. Let's see what all is in this box. Ah, cool. So it comes with a instruction manual. Looks like an instruction manual. Very simple. It comes with the actual device itself. I'll show you. Comes with the device itself. It's packaged beautifully. This is beautiful. Look at that. Check that out. Comes with the device itself, and it comes with a plug-in. So I'm going to show how to use this on my leg, and there's no real graceful way to do this. But basically, you show me turn it on. The display will say where it's off. This is the flash button. So there's 5 energy levels for different skin tone type tolerances. Like I have a little darker skin, so I can handle a little higher light than maybe someone with a little bit of a lighter skin, or a redhead or fairer skin. It's lightweight, it's small, it's portable, and it's quiet. And the best thing is it's painless. It's got a little pinching sensation at the most, which is way painless than some of the laser that I've tried. And it can reduce the appearance of face and body hair while also rejuvenating the skin. IPL, which stands for Intense Pulse Light, is proven to stimulate collagen production, which rejuvenates the skin and can also reduce hair in as little as 8 weeks. You know, but results can of course, it can vary. The IPL kills the hair follicle, preventing dark dots from forming like it can after you shave. So I'm really excited to give this a try, and I'm really excited to not have to shave anymore and rejuvenate my skin at the same time. So very, very cool.